part of my Python tutorials, little projects I'm making from now on each week. We got another one, a dice roll. Basically, you give it a min value of 1 and 6, max value. Roll again, variable yes. While roll yes, printing, rolling. You want to print the random integer. Here's another module and a function for the module. Minimum value, max value, which is this right here. Roll, input, don't forget the input. That's where you're going to type it in. Roll the dice and that's it. Alright, so here I got a sort of like a story generator, if you want to call it that. Sort of like a function so you can reuse your code more easily. Here we got a number, variable number, plus, subtract, divide, multiply. You want to print random module choice number plus number. As you can see, the parameters are all there. We got to look at it closely. And it is what it's gonna say is 5 plus 7, subtract, divide, multiply, divided by, and it's gonna give you is. And that's it.